Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Anthony here from the Wall Street Ball. Let's get into HBAR Hedera. I've had a few questions about this. Let's look into it. Stick around. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Got my morning espresso. It's just before 10 o'clock in the morning here. And I need that before I talk about cryptos and finance and stuff, just because it gets my mind going. Before I get into this, just wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you who have subscribed to the channel. Now sitting at over 7,000 subscribers, then it's grown like 200 plus people in the last 24 hours thanks to this video here. So thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I love doing these videos and building a community and documenting my journey and talking about investing, be it through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, all kinds of stuff, and building generational wealth, and that is the goal for the future. And I hope to bring you all along for that journey, and maybe you can learn something that you may or may not have known, and vice versa, I can learn from you. And if you're new to the channel, please make sure you like the video and subscribe, and turn that little bell notification on, because I love putting out these videos on a regular basis, especially throughout the week, because that's when most of the action is happening. And also there's a little community tab up here which I love talking about with all of you, and it's one of those things where I can talk at any time, and we can chat about different projects and stuff like that, and really cool place. So if you're new, please make sure you subscribe, and we can chat in there. Little disclaimer, everyone, I'm not a financial advisor. I do these videos for fun, to document my journey with investing. So please do your own research and due diligence with any of this stuff. It's extremely volatile and risky, and I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt, because that would be the worst thing. So you can use websites to do your own research, like Masari.io, use a Decrypt, use Cointelegraph. They're the media outlets. You can use YouTube, Twitter, Reddit. Medium is a great place to do research about cryptos. There's heaps of blogs on there you can research on, and there's a whole range of websites. Google, Yahoo. I haven't used that in years, by the way, but you can Google everything and get confident and learn about crypto investing and dividend investing, and learn about all of this stuff. It'll take you some time to get used to it. It did for me, but once you're used to it, it just becomes like second nature, and you can just grow and immerse yourself into the industry and the market. So it's really cool. So do your own research. All right. Today, I'm talking about a coin that a few people have commented on. I have bought into this. HBAR is the ticker, Hedera. I got into this project a couple of weeks back. I did buy around 400 or 500 coins. I'm not sure at the top of my head about that anyway. It's not much, and I am considering investing more into this because the price is great and the project is fantastic as well, and I'll get into what this is all about. So HBAR here, Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR. I've had a few people comment on this, so I thought I'd do a video on it. It's sitting at 30 cents AUD today, which is relatively cheap, and I'm sure a lot of you got in very early with this as well. In the last hour, I'm going to refresh this because this app has a tendency to just have a mind of its own. It's sitting up 0.49%, which is great. In the last 24 hours, it is up 6.7%, and that is incredible across all the cryptos, because they're all up at the moment, especially XRP, my favorite. And for those of you who liked the video yesterday, thank you so much. That video just went crazy, so thank you very much. In the last 7 days, Hedera's down 9.3%. In the last 30 days, it is down 25%. In the last 90 days, it is up 81%. And in the last year, it's up 369%, which is really incredible. And it hasn't dropped below that all-time low there. Obviously, where are we here? 4 cents. And I wish I had bought in them, because that would have been an awesome return, almost of Doge status. Anyway, so it's at 30 cents today, AUD. It has a market cap of $2.5 billion. Circulating supply is 8.4 billion, and in total supply it's 50 billion, so there's not that many in total circulation, which is good. It's ranked number 52 on CoinMarketCap. It has a 24-hour trading volume of $264 million, which is quite a bit, but obviously it's Memorial Day in the US, and I'm not sure what's happening in Europe at the moment, but anyway, let's move on. let's have a look here about Hedera Hashgraph. What is Hedera HBAR? Built as a trust layer of the internet, Hedera Hashgraph is a public network that allows individuals and businesses to create powerful decentralized applications, dApps. It is designed to be a fairer, more efficient system that eliminates some of the limitations of that the older blockchain-based platforms face, such as slow performance and instability. It was funded through an initial coin offering ICO, which I wish I had got in around then because you would have just made an absolute killing. That's one thing I've got to talk about as well, is ICOs. In August 2018, and first launched open access to its mainnet just over a year later in September 2019. As part of the ICO, investors were able to purchase the platform's native utility token HBAR at the lowest possible pricing, which would have been incredible because you could have bought that at less than a penny. How good would that be? The HBAR token is a dual role within the Hedera public network. First and foremost, HBAR, the fuel that powers Hedera services such as smart contracts, file storage, and regular transactions. Second, it's used to help secure the network, since HBAR users can stake their tokens to assist with maintaining the integrity of the platform. Who are the founders of Hedera Hashgraph? Let's have a look here. Hedera Hashgraph has two founders, Dr. Lehman Bayard, forgive me if I'm saying that wrong, and Mance Harmon. Dr. Lehman is credited as the investor of the Hashgraph distributed consensus algorithm and currently works as Hedera's chief scientist. That's cool. Prior to funding Hedera Hashgraph, Bayard accumulated more than a decade of experience in various computer sciences and security roles, as previously worked as a senior research scientist at the Academy Center by Cyberspace Research. They obviously know what they're doing. And he also holds a position of co-founder of CTO of Swirlds Inc., a platform for building dApps. On the other hand, Mance Harmon is Hedera's CEO, an experienced technology executive. As a seasoned entrepreneur, Harmon has around 2 decades of experience holding executive roles in prominent firms, many of which are in the IT security industry. Like Dr. Lehman, and Mance Harmon also holds a second position of Swirlds as its co-founder and CEO. In addition to the founders, Hedera leadership team also comprises more than a dozen individuals, many of which have had distinguished careers. That is incredible. What makes Hedera Hashgraph unique? Unlike most cryptocurrency platforms, Hedera Hashgraph isn't built on top of a conventional blockchain. Instead, it introduces a completely novel type of distributed ledger technology known as Hashgraph. The technology allows it to improve upon many blockchain-based alternatives in several key areas, including speed, cost, scalability. Hedera transactions have an average transaction fee of just 0.0001 USD and typically reach a finality in under 5 seconds, which is very quick. Overall, Hedera Hashgraph claims it can handle more than 10,000 transactions per second, which is ridiculous, compared to around 5 to 20 of the most popular proof-of-work POW-based blockchains. The platform offers several major network services. These include a token service that allows users to easily configure and mint both fungible and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on the Hedera with just a few lines of code. A consensus service that acts as a layer of trust for any application or network that needs a secure, verifiable log of events. Smart contract tools that allow that developers build powerful and efficient decentralized applications. Decentralized file storage services with features include proof of deletion, controlled mutability, and time-based file expiry. That's incredible. So this is all on CoinMarketCap. See what I mean by doing your own research? You can look into these in very, a lot of detail, which is really cool. Let's have a look at Coinspot. I am using them. There's a link below if you wish to use Coinspot here in Australia. I'm not sure if you can access it in the USA, but you can here in Australia. There's a link. If you wish, you can use it. If not, cool. I believe we get like a percentage of Bitcoin. I'm not too sure how much. I think it's like 10% or something like that. I don't know. Have a look. Try it out if you want. I don't know. So HBAR has got a market cap here of 2.5 billion today, and sitting at 31 cents AUD. And in the week here, you can see it's fluctuating down, but on the day it's gone straight up, which is fantastic to see. In the month, it has been relatively flat, and in the last year, well, every crypto has been doing that, which is insane. Bull market. All right, so We'll have a look just quickly here, and we'll get into this in a second while I check up on my portfolio. Let's have a look here. What is Hedera? Well, we've gone through that. Hedera presents itself as an alternative to blockchain that's able to quickly and cheaply process its transactions. There's a huge article here on Decrypt, which is a great app that I use to read the news and read up about projects. Is a platform that presents itself faster and more secure alternative to blockchain. It sidesteps energy-intensive mining by using technology called directed acrylic graph. In most blockchain-based projects, the verification process relies on mining and energy-intensive processing requiring computers to work through fiducially difficult computers to verify transactions. Can Hedera Hashgraph sidestep that problem by removing mining entirely and using an entirely new ledger structure? We find out below. So there's a whole article on here, and I'll link that below so you can actually have a read of that. Let's go to their website quickly, because I want to show you that. There's a really cool video here, and I'm not sure if it's going to play properly, but we'll try. This is their website, by the way, hedera.com. You can see that their partners here, leading organizations. Hedera is owned and governed by the world's leading organizations, which some people say is a problem because of the it's not decentralized and whatnot. But I tend to like projects with major partners, because big business, it's successful. These are proven successful businesses, and with one of these things, it could potentially be so early days that it can explode. And that's one of the reasons why I'm investing in HBAR personally. I have got 400 tokens. I'm going to be adding to that. Obviously, you need a substantial amount of money to buy into this, but it is such a good price at 30 cents. In terms of price, who knows what's going to happen with this? I strongly predict it's going to go up because of the new technology that this particular project is implementing. So, they've got partners here at Avery Dennison. Boeing is a huge one. I mean, who doesn't know Boeing? Chainlink Labs, Denton's, Deutsche Telekom, DLO Piper, EDF, FPOS here. Well, we all know what FPOS is. Google, IBM, LG. Look at all these companies here. These are huge companies here. Join a future built on trust. Hedera's most used enterprise-grade public network for you to make a digital world exactly as it should be. Yours. HBAR is a native energy-efficient cryptocurrency of Hedera that powers the decentralized economy. Whether you're a startup, enterprise, a creator, a consumer, Hedera goes beyond blockchain for developers to create the next era of fast, fair, and secure applications. It is extremely new, and it's got a long way to go, but this is one of these projects that you can get in early. Let me try and play this video for everyone. I'm not sure if it'll work, but if it does, fantastic. Let's watch it now. I'm going to load it up.
We are in the dawn of a new decentralized era, where people who don't know or trust each other can securely collaborate and transact online without the need for an intermediary. For distributed ledgers to go mainstream and enable this vision, there are 4 issues that must be addressed: speed, security, stability, and governance. Hedera Hashgraph is the enterprise-grade public network that addresses these challenges. The underlying Hashgraph consensus algorithm offers speed and scalability, fair ordering, and best-in-class security for mission-critical applications. Hedera is a platform built on and built for trust.
You need a governing concept. And because blockchain systems are about trust, well, somebody has to set the standard for trust.
Hedera aims to achieve a truly decentralized governance model. The Hedera Governing Council is an elected group of highly diversified, leading global organizations, committed to supporting the development and growth of the Hedera public network. Comprised of the world's most innovative companies across different industries and geographies, the Hedera Governing Council will chart the path for the Hedera platform and public network. Their responsibilities include hosting and maintaining initial network nodes, establishing a governance framework for global markets, and overseeing the software run by hundreds of thousands of nodes at scale, and for the overall direction of the Hedera platform's codebase.
We decided to join Hedera Hashgraph, but not only join, but being a counselor on the Hedera Hashgraph network, because it's important for us to influence the future roadmap.
The Governing Council will play a crucial role for this emerging sector, creating the best practices and guidelines that will serve the industry for decades to come.
but we're all going to be able to get together and share that sort of global best practice knowledge on a series of interesting and challenging questions about the future of this technology and how we can help frame a governance around it.
Hedera Hashgraph goes beyond blockchain with a fast, fair and secure distributed public ledger governed by the world's leading enterprises and made for developers, creating a trusted and empowered digital future for all. What future will you build?
Right, so you can clearly see the video there. In the video, you can clearly see the partners that they're involved with. You can see who they're involved with, what's happening there. This is an incredible project that has a real world utility, and I believe that it is still at very, very, very good value, which is incredible. And that is one of the reasons why I'm investing into HBAR. Obviously, you have to do your own research with all of this stuff, but it's one of these projects which can have real world utility and an incredible future, and it is still very early. And if there's anything to do with these businesses, if you get in early, you know, there's potential for huge growth. So that is one of the reasons why I'm investing in HBAR. All right, let's have a look at the rest of the portfolio today, which is incredible because it's had some awesome returns overnight, which is great. And I want to share with you my portfolio here, what's actually happened overnight. So let's have a look. Cardano is up 8.7%, which is great. XRP is up 13%. That is because of the good news yesterday with the SEC. That is incredible. And they are winning every single week with this case. And I hope it gets resolved soon because I want to see this price go to $295 like a BitBoy Crypto, I think his name is, said that it was going to go to. So let's see what happens there. Doge is up 6.9%. XLM is up 7%. VeChain is up 15%. That's another one I'm going to be talking about this week. Theta is up 7.5%. Tron is up 6%. Shiba Inu is up 15%. Look at that. That's awesome. 4.8% for BTT. T-Fuel is up 12%. Talcoin is up 8%. HOT is up 4.5%. Digibyte, is up 8.2%. Siacoin is up 4%. ANKR is up 5.8%. VTHO is up 5.7%. Reef is up 3%. Win is up 5.9%. SafeMoon is up 2.09%, which is good to see. Ecomi is up 6%, another one that I'm very into at the moment. Electronium ECN is up 9.3%. Acropolis is up 4.7%. Moonshot is up 57%. That is insane. NFT Art Finance is up 17%. Great, love NFT Art Finance. Safe Mars is up 7.6%. Bonfire, love the Bonfire crew, is up 7%. Elongate is up 6.6%. Unbelievable returns, and I'm really happy to see XRP up 13%. I told you, I knew it was going to happen because of this news, and hopefully some of you got in early enough to get that dip, which I did. So anyway, guys, just wanted to give you an update. So HBAR is one I'm going to be going in now, as well as XRP, because there's real world use and utility. I'm really happy about it. So leave your comments below what you think about HBAR if you are holding it, and any other cryptos as well. Let's talk about it in the comments below. All right, make sure you stay safe out there. Peace. We'll put up a video soon. All right, bye.